Abide with me. Fast falls the eventide. The darkness deepens. Lord, with me abide. When other helpers fail and comforts flee, help of the helpless, Lord, abide with me. When I fear no foe, with thee at hand to bless, ills have no weight, and fear no bitterness. Where is their sting? Oh, grave, thy victory. Will I triumph still if thou